Here is a peek inside the credit repair course for all my credit heroes to learn how to repair credit.
All right, welcome back everyone. In today's training, we are going to be going over the clients tab. So today we're actually going to be adding a new client into our system. We're going to be providing them with the credit analysis, and we'll be able to review their credit report so you guys can get a better understanding of what to look for, because software is a great tool to help assist you, but you are still going to need to understand how to read a credit report and understand what is affecting someone's credit score. So this client has already signed up for Smart Credit, which I tell people that's the first step. I don't even really want to talk about much more until we get your credit reports, because your credit reports are going to tell me everything that I need to know. And if you want to move forward with service, great. If not, we don't really have much to talk about until you sign up to be a client, because I'm telling you at this point, you do need credit repair, or maybe you need trade lines. Whatever the case may be, probably need to sign up for some sort of service or purchase something to move forward with you, because you don't want to waste your time with people who are not interested in your service. People will talk your ear off. I've talked to people for over an hour and they've never signed up or spent a dime with me. So you really want to limit yourself and speak to people for no more than 30 minutes. Tell people we provide, a free 15-minute phone call. 15 minutes can easily turn into a half hour, can easily turn into 2 hours. So you want to try to limit yourself to 15 minutes per client. And of course, if you feel the need to spend more time with a client, by all means, go right ahead. It's a great experience. But at the end of the day, your time is very precious, and that's one thing that we can't get back. So we have to focus our time on what is going to grow our business and make us better at what we do. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to add a new client into the system. So you guys may have heard me talk about previous, you could set up automations to where if someone books a call with you or fills out a form of some sort, they will get transferred into Credit Repair Cloud as a lead if you set up Zapier. So what I do is I have Zapier set up to my calendar. I use Acuity. They come into Credit Repair Cloud as a lead. So you'll see all the different leads under the statuses. You'll see I have over 99 different leads because people book calls with me and they get put into my system as a lead. But if you have someone that you have not scheduled a call with, or that has not filled out one of your forms that comes into Credit Repair Cloud as a lead, then of course you're going to need to manually add them in. So I still have clients here and there that I manually add in, referrals, things of that nature. So in this case, a lot of the leads that you're working with right now are probably going to be added in manually by you until you get a system set up with your calendar and you have people that are actually booking calls with you. And keep in mind, it took me a while to really get to the point where people were trying to reach out.
Visit the link in the description to get the credit repair course on sale or for only $47. Includes custom dispute letter library and everything you need to learn credit repair.